So, hello friends, and now we are going to see the very interesting topic of our Docker part 7. In this part, we are moving ahead from SQLite to the Postgres SQL. So, we are going step by step. In each step, we are see the different things. And now in part 10, we are going to see the Task plus Postgres SQL with Docker Compose. Docker Compose is a very important. Till now, we are learning about the images and all things, but Docker Compose is very different from them and very useful as well. So, in this part, we upgrade from SQLite to PostgreSQL and learn Docker Compose for running multiple containers together. So what we are going to build? A book library web application where we can add the books, we can use the books, we delete books, and we can get all the books as JSON. Means JavaScript object notation API response through the written JSON file. The app has two parts running in two separate containers. One thing, the app has category separate and the PostgreSQL, that is database is running separate, and both are connected through the network, container 1 and the container 2. Yes, why PostgreSQL instead of SQLite? So in part 6 we use SQLite, it store everything in a single file. That is great for learning but has limit. Like it has a setup, no setup needed for SQLite. But for PostgreSQL, it needs a server. Users at same time, one at a time, many at once. Data set, small data set. Okay, now this thing. So what is Docker Compose? Imagine we need to run two containers at the same time. Without Docker Compose, we should write this code manually, everything. First, Docker network, then start the database, build where, start the where. This is very painful, yes, because we have to remember all these things. But lot of this is painful. A lot of flag to remember, easy to make mistake. And this is only two containers. Real app might have 5 to 10 containers. So how can we learn everything and how can we remember everything? And there are many other things as well to learn and remember. Along with that, we have to remember these things. But Docker Compose make these things a very simplified version. The solution Docker Compose. Docker Compose let you define everything in a single file. Docker Compose.yml. Then you start it all with one command like Docker Compose up, Docker Compose up, and later we are going to see also Docker Compose down. So that is it. One command to build image, create container, set up the network and start everything. Analogy. Think of it like without Docker Compose, you have to remove every ingredient and every step of a recipe from a memory. Every time you cook, you might forget something. Like if something special menu you have to design, you have to prepare. So for that, you have to remember each and everything by your own. You are the only person who knows the recipe, and suppose you are not present anyway, then that recipe or that dish will not prepare by that hotel specific thing on that day if you are not there. But with the same, if there is one book and into that book every all the steps are written, so anyone can follow that steps and get the same result every time with the that written things. Same thing happened with here as well with Docker Compose. You have a written recipe card that lists all ingredients and all steps. Anyone can follow it and get the same result every time. The Docker Compose that YML file is the recipe card for your application. So our project structure is like this. App.py, requirements.txt, templates, Docker file, Docker compose.yml, .env, .docker ignore, regular, md.